patterns and preparation of soil. What is a crop? The word crop is used to describe plants of the same kind that are grown and cultivated at one place and in significant quantities. Some of them are wheat crop, rice crop, cauliflower crop, and so on. A crop can be a cereal, a vegetable, or maybe a fruit. In India, the climatic conditions like temperature, rainfall, and humidity differ vastly. So there is a rich variety in the crops grown in different regions. So crops are broadly divided into two patterns, Kharif and Rabi. Plants that need more water for healthy growth are planted during the rainy season around June and are harvested at the end of the rainy season around October. These crops are called Kharif crops, and some examples are rice, maize, groundnut, soybean, and cotton crops. Crops that grow during the winter season are called Rabi crops. Examples of Rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, and sunflower. They are generally sown during October and November and harvested in the month of April and May. Both the words Rabi and Kharif are taken from the Arabic language. In Arabic, Rabi means spring and Kharif means autumn. Different vegetables are grown in different seasons. That is why we have seasonal fruits and vegetables in the market. Many tasks or activities need to be performed before cultivating a crop. These are termed as agricultural practices. The typical sequence of agricultural activities consists of preparing the soil, sowing seeds, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigating the soil, protecting the crops from pests and weeds, harvesting, and storing the crops. What is preparation of soil? Preparing the soil means loosening or turning it. Loosening the soil makes it easier for the roots to breathe, especially when they enter deep into the soil. Loosening the soil is beneficial for the soil as more earthworms and microbes are present. These organisms decompose plant and animal wastes, thereby increasing the humus and nutrients level in the soil. In fact, earthworms further loosen the soil. This increases the amount of water and air reaching the various layers of the soil. Turning the soil also brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top. If the soil is dry, the field is watered. It is then time to plow or till the soil, using a plow, a hoe, or a cultivator. After that, the soil is checked for crumbs, which are large pieces of soil. A plank is used to break the crumbs into fine soil. The next step is to level the soil with the help of a leveler. Soil is watered before sowing. Sometimes manure is spread over the soil before tilling. If manure is spread before tilling, then the manure will get mixed with the soil. In this module,